announcing a collaboration I'm going to be participating called For the Boys. It's on August the 7th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This collaboration is hosted by Elizabeth of Dandy Sew DIY and co-hosted by Pat of Pat's Creations. Those of us participating in this collaboration have done challenges and collaborations together before. You can't ask for a nicer, more supportive group of women anywhere. There is Elizabeth. She is a great teacher of how-to DIYs. Pat of Pat's Homecraft makes the most beautiful items. Mom can take the most ordinary things and make them extraordinary. She always amazes me. Nadia is amazing with how pretty and wonderful her projects are. Elena comes up with the most neat ideas and projects. I love them. Marika is a true artist and makes the most extraordinary projects. I'm so proud to be participating in this collaboration with these women. I hope you'll come over and watch the playlist on August the 7th. You won't be disappointed, you'll learn a lot, and you'll have a lot of fun. You might be surprised at what you find out that you can do. And I hope to see you then on August the 7th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And until my next video, bye.